Hey, it's Random Code here, and today I just want to showcase how we can use a scheduler in Spring Boot, which allows us to create some very simple setup for threading, or at least to run some background tasks. So I just very quickly created an entirely new Spring Boot project using IntelliJ. So let's just have a quick look. We only have some very simple dependencies, our Spring Boot starter and Spring Boot starter test. So nothing fancy. To then add a scheduler, we would first need to allow scheduling. So inside our main setup, inside scheduler application in this case, where I have my public void main, which starts everything, I would add a tag called add enable scheduling. We are now allowed to use scheduling in the rest of this application. I would then, in this case, create a new Java class. Let's call it DB tester, for example, because I imagine that the scheduling system would most often be used in combination with some database. For example, I could think of a scenario where I have one API where some users send us some data. We then save this data in a database. We then have this scheduler access this data and update this data, and then have another endpoint for a user where the user can then check, has my data been analyzed yet or something, and then get it if it has. And we would then simply use the scheduler to then manipulate the data to allow these threads for our APIs to be open. So we now have this DB tester. I would then add it as a, let's just do a component in this case. I would then add a public void, let's just call it tester. And I'll just create a very simple method as always. And to then allow it to be a scheduler, I would then simply add a tag called scheduled. We would then like to add a delay to our scheduler, and we can then do fixed rate, which will run x seconds or x milliseconds, so 1000 milliseconds from the last time my scheduler started. Or we could do fixed delay, which will run 1000 milliseconds after the last schedule finished. So either by doing it as fast as possible, or, so in this case, fixed delay, I would wait 1000 milliseconds whenever my scheduler stops. In this case, of course, it's going to be work more or less the same because it's going to be a very simple setup. I will just simply print DB tester to the console. So it's actually quite simple. Schedule application, enable scheduling, DB tester, add it as a component or service or something, configuration, add our scheduled on any method. In this case, we just print DB tester every 1000 milliseconds. So if we run it, we should very simply see in the console that we get DB tester every second, as just mentioned. So I think this is actually a very, very powerful tool, and it's very easy and very quick, and helps because often when we're doing multi-threading or any kind of threading or setting up some kind of cron jobs in the background like this, it can be kind of complicated, but Spring makes this process very simple and very quick. So if you enjoyed this quick showcase, please leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a wonderful day.